Cranberry Hazelnut Coffee Cake Recipe. Delicious and easy homemade treat. Indulge your taste buds with this delightful cranberry hazelnut coffee cake recipe. Perfect for a cozy morning breakfast or a sweet afternoon snack, this moist and flavorful cake is sure to become a family favorite. Follow along as we guide you through each step to create this delicious treat in your own kitchen. Ingredients: 1½ cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/2 cup unsalted butter, softened, 3/4 cup granulated sugar, 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1/2 cup sour cream, 1/4 cup milk, 1/2 cup dried cranberries, 1/2 cup chopped hazelnuts. For the streusel topping: 1/4 cup all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup packed brown sugar, 1/2 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 2 tablespoons cold unsalted butter, cubed. Instructions: preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Grease and flour a 9-inch round cake pan or line it with parchment paper for easy removal. In a medium mixing bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Set aside. In a large mixing bowl, cream together the softened butter and granulated sugar until light and fluffy. Beat in the eggs, one at a time, followed by the vanilla extract. Mix in the sour cream until well combined, then gradually add the dry ingredients, alternating with the milk, until a smooth batter forms. Fold in the dried cranberries and chopped hazelnuts until evenly distributed throughout the batter. Pour the batter into the prepared cake pan, spreading it out evenly with a spatula. In a small bowl, combine the ingredients for the streusel topping: flour, brown sugar, cinnamon, and cold cubed butter. Use your fingers or a fork to mix until crumbly. Sprinkle the streusel topping evenly over the batter in the cake pan. Bake in the preheated oven for 35–40 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Once baked, remove the cake from the oven and let it cool in the pan for 10–15 minutes before transferring it to a wire rack to cool completely. Slice and serve your cranberry hazelnut coffee cake with a hot cup of coffee or tea for a delightful treat any time of day. Enjoy your homemade cranberry hazelnut coffee cake, and don't forget to share this recipe with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Free ebook: Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee, the adult alcohol, worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.